can't see it from here.
Yeah.
Don't go to see it until you get to Columbia.
Oh, that cloud? Yeah. It's a weird looking cloud.
So we're going to be in a little ridge here. Yeah, you can tell it's raining up there. Look at all that grayness, and it's like kind of foggy faded.
Yeah.
That's rain. Yeah, that's probably up where your grandparents live in Crystal Falls.
No, that's Storm?
Creekside.
Or Creekside, yeah. That looks like where it's at right now. Yeah, it's just one of those midsummer storms, or it's not even summer yet, technically. But
No, not for another 4 days, I guess.
it's spring. Yeah, wow, what a trip. Look at that. Yeah, that's up by Twainhart, all that. Like, these are more common in the like the late summer, August, at the top of the pass.
Yeah.
Not so much down here, which is strange because I don't remember seeing storms like this. So you can see it's raining right now.
Yeah.
Not right here, but up there.
Yeah.
I can see the rain coming down. True.
Oh, you can see the rain over there?
Yeah, it's not raining here, but it's raining up there.
Yeah.
You can see it. See all the gray right there? That's rain.
Yeah, it's unseasonably cooler right now. Isn't it?
Not really. It's about right as far as time goes. Being in mid-June. But to see, you can see all that gray, it's
Yeah.
all that rain. So where my parents live, where his grandparents live,
Yeah.
it's probably starting to sprinkle a little bit. If possibly.
Yeah.
Possibly. Yeah, what a trip. That almost looks like a tornado forming on.
Kinda.
Wow, look at that.
Might be a nasty one.
They had a little mini tornado go through Twainhart about 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And it took out a bunch of trees and stuff. Yeah, you can see that. You can see it's actually raining up there right now.
Yeah.
Above the ridge. That's weird because it's like, what, 90 degrees? 80? What did you say it was?
80.
88?
88, yeah.
So we have 88 degrees and we have thunderclouds and storms going on right now. Good trip.
Yeah, that's storm clouds. Obviously, that's rain clouds.
Oh yeah, big time. Yeah, I'd say it's probably raining up there in Twainhart, in that area.
Yeah.
Were you recording it?
Yeah.